Hey there, check out the ZIYOO King Box Spring, a sturdy foundation made with reinforced steel for lasting support. Its universal design fits most bed frames and mattresses, offering great versatility for your bedroom. Assembly is quick and easy, so you can set it up without any hassle. The included box cover keeps your mattress clean and fresh, making maintenance simple. With a low profile height of just 4 inches, it's perfect for easy bed access and added comfort. Plus, the quiet, noise-free metal structure ensures a peaceful night's sleep every time. Upgrade your sleep experience with this heavy-duty, reliable box spring today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.